Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, robotics and fischertechnik. This video is about my running robot Discovery based on the TXT controller and powered with 2 battery packs. It has active sonar right here, USB camera and 2 touch sensors, as well as an LED that lights up when there's a course change, and 2 LEDs that indicate whether the motors are activated or not. And last time it turned out that although the activation took place, that motor didn't do a thing, or hardly. Later I found out that there was a problem in the wiring with the motor, so I'm going to check first if that is improved now. And the second thing that I want to look at is a change in the algorithm, because so far the algorithm is set to distinguish or separate the color red, and I want it to be variable so that I can say either red or black or yellow, and that way that the different color can be separated, which is more fun, of course. Anyway, first checking the activation of the motors. And to check that, I of course have to power up the interface, and this is also going to be a test for the battery packs, because last time, although I had fully charged them, they weren't fully charged. To check that, I have to change to screencast, because then I can show everything. And this is then the screencast with some problems, because yes, the camera is working, the picture receiving terminal is ready, but as you can see here, I have not logged into the terminal yet, and that is because I can't get a connection. So this is one of the TXT numbers, and now it is functional, and it wasn't a while ago, so now I am able to get in there. That means that here I am able to get in there as well, obviously. Very nice indeed. Which also means that everything else is working. I can set everything that I like, which is good. But I need to go in here. Not the execution, but this one I always use for source code, and this one for execution. But I have to set the date, and that has progressed since 1 October. Alright. Now I can run everything that I like, provided things go well. And what I would like to see is these LEDs being activated. Okay, see, that was missing last time, because last time this motor was not activated, and clearly, I'll interrupt. Clearly, the connection was indeed what I feared. That was wrong, one wire. But it still doesn't go right, because it has a deviation to the left while it should go straight ahead. Anyway, that problem is solved. Now for the change of the algorithm. Yet another point that I mentioned at the start. What are the battery levels? So, for those I have to check this one, that one, which are not indicating anything. So I have to put the switches right there, and then it says 8.3 and 8.3. And given the fact that I have switched on the controller, but also had to fix the connection. That may have cost some power. Anyway, let's see how long this lasts. And well, go to the algorithm. In order to get a new color inside the algorithm, and this is the place where the color is being determined, low red till upper red. I of course have to make a picture of it, and then I get some problems here. Two pictures are being sent, and then some timeout for camera images. Why, I don't know. Anyway, let me check for imaging from today. That is of course the latest, and that is 13. And I'm not seeing if it is there, but actually displaying it. And then you see it is all expressed, and that is black, so I don't even have the original picture with yellow, which I expected to get. And there are only 2 images, so I need to have more. That means that I am going to put the robot back in position. Let me check for being sure. And that is 5, way too low now. So I'm about to lose connection to the battery packs. I need to have the AC adapter because recharging is taking too much time. And in the meantime, in order to get a yellow part in the picture, I run the program, makes a very different turn, and I find out that there's a wrong IP address in with respect to sending pictures. I did that to enable myself on the convention to send pictures. Didn't work out though. Anyway, I forgot to change the algorithm back to its original way, which I have done now. And lost connection, I have to do it again. See what I've happened by now. This is no good. This is certainly not what I anticipated. In any way. It makes it a little bit more fun, but it is not what should have happened. There it goes again. Do I have any text image here? None at all. Absolutely none. I'm trying to get an image here, but it doesn't do it, so I need to check the algorithm again for sending actually an image file, which should happen here. And somehow it hasn't done so. So that's not entirely what I expected. And pressing a tab or doing like this, and it says nothing. And TXT image is like this, the file name. and there's nothing here, so it doesn't send it somehow, which is making it for me very hard to take the yellow part out. And in the meantime, the algorithm has stopped somehow, and the robot is doing anything but normal. Can I get it done in this video? Not sure. Alright, so next attempt is putting the frame on an elevation so the wheels have no effect on the floor, because by now I have proven that both wheels are running normally. So let me just run the algorithm and see if I can manage the TXT image file towards my computer, and there one goes. So now I should see something here, and I do. Very good. And that is exactly what I want to see. So, cancel this one. Now I need to select a color range like this one. And that's going to be a challenge. So what am I going to use for that? In the past, I think I've used darktable for this. Loading that image and see whatever happens. Right. Import. That is today's file. Alright. And now I need to probe it. And from light table I go to darkroom, color picker, and here you can see the RGB values, and you can select much more, but I stick to RGB. And is this different? No. Is this different? No. See, now I get some results. So this is 227. So this will be a challenge to see if you get a nice color. Anyway, let me write down then. 207.162.113. And that is then 219. $160, and that's a dark color. And it's been such a long time that I did this that I forgot how exactly I did it. But I have now 3 values, and maybe I can do some more about it without using this program. Anyway, I have to, apart from getting these values, the algorithm change to, to what exactly? An interaction with the user, being me, and then defining what you want, red or something else. I don't have a question in here. I do have a question for the other robot. So that will be a big change in this algorithm, which I think is for next time. So this has proven to be a problem. Color picking and the algorithm. Color picking before the algorithm, obviously. No change in the algorithm yet, because, well, battery problem, connection problem with the robot in trajectory change, etc. So algorithm is coming next time. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification, and you can also support via Ko-fi, PayPal, and by becoming a patron. Also take a look at my website, everything is listed under this video. And well, to be continued, obviously. Have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.